Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use Cluely AI. First, open any browser on your computer and go to the search bar. Type Cluely and press enter. From the search results, find the official Cluely website. It is usually the first link and includes the official domain name. Click on it to open the homepage. Once the website loads, you will see two download options on the screen, one for Windows and one for Mac. Choose the option that matches your operating system. If you are using Windows, click on the Windows Download button. The download will begin automatically and may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, open the downloaded file from your browser or from your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Cluely on your device. The installation process is simple. Just click Next when prompted and wait until the setup is finished. Once it is installed, open Cluely from your desktop or Start menu. When you open Cluely for the first time, it will ask you to sign in. You can either sign in using your Google account or by entering your email address and password. Choose the method that suits you best. After signing in, Cluely will ask you a few short questions to personalize your experience. The first question will ask which option describes you best. You may see choices like looking for a job, curious, or being a student. Select the one that fits your purpose. Next, it will ask what industry you are in. For example, you might select fields such as engineering, marketing, design, or technology. It will also ask how you heard about Cluely. Choose one of the options that apply to you. After answering all the questions, Cluely will load your personalized dashboard. You can now start exploring its features, recommendations, and tools based on your preferences. That is how you can set up and start using Cluely. Thanks for watching.